Hello friend, today I'm going to show you one of the classic dishes, spaghetti, with my own twist. So the twist is, instead of spaghetti, I'm going to use ramen noodles. So it's a very simple dish, as we all know. For this I have 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 small size of chopped shallots or onion, 4 small size of green chili, and I have 1 big size of tomato puree, chicken breast half and chicken liver, 10 grams of sterilized cream. I have of course all paprika powder, black pepper powder, parsley and thyme, and of course last but obviously not the least, salt. So first of all I am going to pour some oil into the pan. As you can see I am using oak. Okay, some more. Okay, here I put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to put the onion into the oil, and I'm going to just. Okay, now I'm going to put the green chili and the garlic also into the pan. Become brownish. Now I'm going to pour up the chicken. So I pour down my chicken. Okay, I'm going to fry them up for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So I'm just going to fry them for about 1 minute. So now I am going to pour the tomato puree into the mix. Oops. And I am going to stir them very well so that the tomato will mix up with the chicken completely. Okay, now I am going to put all of my spices. So here is my spoon. First of all, I am going to pour about 2 teaspoons of salt. I am going to pour half teaspoon of paprika powder. One teaspoon of black pepper. As I love spices, so I'm going to pour 1 spoon of, actually 1½ teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 spoon of parsley and 1/4 of thyme. So I just pour them off. Now I'm going to stir them for a little bit. Now I'm going to pour my cream. So I am going to pour down my cream into the milk. I am going to simmer them for a couple of minutes. Okay, now as you can see, the mixture is simmering. Now I am going to add my spaghetti into the not spaghetti. Now I am going to add my ramen noodles into the bowl, and I am just going to mix them well. So I put down my ramen noodles into the bowl and mix it properly with the sauce and the chicken and just simmer them for a couple of minutes. So friend, here you have it, the ramen spaghetti. I am going to garnish it with some oregano flake. I'm gonna garnish this with some oregano flakes because oregano is really comes good with pasta and noodles or spaghetti or whatever you say. So I just sprinkle some spaghetti and of course the tomato sauce. So friends, this is the final look of our ramen spaghetti. Yeah, I can say that it's really easy. The preparation time is almost about 15 minutes. So this is really easy for student and working people like me. And with this dish you can easily enjoy the taste of both ramen and spaghetti. So this is the positive side of this dish. Hope you enjoy the recipe. If you really love the recipe, then please like the video, and for more this kind of quirky and hybrid recipe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.